What's something people don't know about successful trading? It's all about having the right tools and strategies in place. The first must-have item for serious traders is your broker. Choose wisely. This is the cornerstone of your trading success. The second essential tool is a powerful stock scanner to spot opportunities in a flash. Moving on to the third item, only trade the best setups. Focus on stock selection criteria. The fourth must-have is learn to gauge a stock's potential in mere seconds. The fifth item on our list is master the critical indicators and timing secrets to perfect your entry and exit points. The sixth essential tool is set predetermined profit targets and stops to manage risk. The seventh must-have item is don't overlook the pre- and post-markets. They're gold mines. And finally, the eighth item is optimize your platform charting and indicator setup to streamline your process. For more details on these tools, visit momentumwithjaime.com for the 8 must-have tools for momentum trading success. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment below. Remember, the sky's the limit once you make that decision. Happy trading!